Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by powering off the iPhone and removing any case. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, aim a hairdryer at the sticker for about 20 to 30 seconds on low. That softens the glue so the sticker releases evenly. Make sure to hold the dryer 6 to 8 inches away to avoid overheating. Then position dental floss or a thin plastic pick at an edge. You'll use that tool to separate adhesive without scratching the glass. You now lift the sticker slowly because speed causes tears and leftover residue. With floss under the corner, use a steady sawing motion while pulling the floss back toward you. Pause and reheat if the glue tightens. If you use a plastic card, angle it shallow. Push gently and slide the card across the adhesive as you lift the sticker. Do not use metal tools. They concentrate force and risk chipping glass. Keep your movements controlled and reapply heat when the sticker resists. You finish by removing any sticky residue. Dab a small amount of 90% isopropyl alcohol onto a microfiber cloth and rub gently in circular motions until the adhesive lifts. For non-glass cases, a tiny drop of commercial adhesive remover works. Test an inconspicuous spot first. Once clean, dry with a fresh cloth, reapply the case and power on. If the sticker won't budge after repeated heat cycles, pause and reheat. If glass is scratched or cracked, stop and seek professional repair. Don't force it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.